Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this washer and dryer set here. We're going to start off with the washer, model number WFW6620, and the color is going to be a chrome shadow. As the overall look of these, I think they're really attractive looking. I really like the front of this. It's really cool. Really nice look to it. What makes this washer super special is it does have this load and go dispenser right here. So essentially this will fill up about 2 liters of detergent, and you just pull this up and you could essentially just pour in an entire bottle of detergent and it will dispense it for you with the load and go setting right here. So let's take a look inside. Got an all stainless steel drum in there, and it does come with a steam function as well. The steam function is, it's got the sanitize option, I believe. Nope, it doesn't. It's got steam clean. So that's just going to be a very basic steam clean setting to keep your clothes fresh, and even sometimes avoid even having to wash it all together. It does have intuitive controls, so you can obviously, like any other washing machine, you can just select your regular, your delicates, all that kind of is very self-explanatory. But then you can modify everything over here, and it does give you up to 35 different cycles that you can adapt and adjust as well. So even though it does have the load and go here, if you do have any specific detergent that you need for specific clothes that are like for allergy reasons or hand wash cycles or anything like that, you can also put that into here, and it doesn't interfere with any of the load and go stuff. It'll just reflect specifically on that right there as well. The units are stackable, so they do come with a stack kit. The model number for that is W10869845. So you can actually, if you are restricted width-wise in your area, you can stack the units on top of one another. So that's everything about the washer. Let's go ahead and move on to the dryer here. So this also has a steam function. And what makes the dryer really cool is it does have the wrinkle shield plus, like most dryers of Whirlpool will have. You can select that after your cycle is done. It will tumble about 150 minutes just to ensure that nothing will get wrinkled and crumpled up together and all that kind of stuff. Also, they do have the steam refresh cycle, so you can put it in there and you can select steam refresh. It will just release deep set wrinkles and any odor that might be in the clothes. This is actually a really good cycle for if you're not trying to do a full load of clothing. You just have an item that you want it to be refreshed and you don't want to have to put it in the washing machine. You can throw it in there and hit the steam refresh button, and it will go ahead and do all that kind of stuff. And it also does come with the static reduce option, or reduce static. So they combine the steam and tumbling all at once. If it's going to be left in there overnight or for a little while, it will reduce the static and cling in your clothes and all that kind of stuff. And it does also come with a sanitize function, which they claim will reduce 99.9% of household bacteria. So that's all I have for you on that. And the model number on this one is WED6620. If you guys wanted to look at any more specifications, check out the dimensions and all that kind of stuff, look at our website, appliancefactory.com. Also, the sizes for these, we got a 4.5 cubic feet and a 7.4 cubic feet. So they're a really decent size, should easily fit a king comforter for any needs that you might have. My name's Simon, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.